Two New York prosecutors who had been leading a criminal investigation into former President Donald Trump's business operations have departed the Manhattan District Attorney's office, suddenly casting doubt on the future of the inquiry. The resignations of Carrie Dunn and Mark Pomerantz come just over a month into the tenure of District Attorney Alvin Bragg, who succeeded longtime prosecutor Cyrus Vance. Vance did not seek re-election. A Bragg spokesperson, Danielle Filson, confirmed the resignations but indicated that the investigation is ongoing. "We are grateful for their service," Filson said. "We can't comment further." The resignations were first reported earlier Wednesday by the New York Times. Dunn and Pomerantz did not immediately respond to requests for comment. Dunn, who served as general counsel, first joined the office in 1984. According to the office website, he had been advising the district attorney on legal, policy and strategic issues while overseeing significant investigations, including the Trump inquiry and the reinvestigation of the assassination of Malcolm X. Pomerantz, a former federal prosecutor known for his expertise in complex white-collar investigations, was hired by Vance last year to assist with the Trump inquiry. "They all should resign for targeting political opponents while crime skyrockets," Trump spokeswoman Liz Harrington said. The former president has repeatedly derided the criminal investigation and a parallel civil investigation led by New York Attorney General Letitia James as politically motivated. During a rally last month in Texas, Trump told supporters, "For years they've been going after my company. Many years. They've been using every trick in the book to literally, if they can, put me in jail. They want to put me in jail." Last summer, the investigation produced criminal charges against a Trump organization and its chief financial officer, Allen Weisselberg, in which prosecutors detailed an alleged tax evasion conspiracy spanning more than a decade. The 15-count indictment alleged criminal tax fraud, conspiracy and falsifying business records. Weisselberg was also charged with grand larceny in connection with failing to pay taxes on $1.7 million in benefits from the company. The Manhattan criminal investigation has loomed large for the former president and his family. Last week, attorneys for Trump, his son Don Jr., and daughter Ivanka Trump expressed their concerns for the ongoing criminal inquiry as they sought to quash subpoenas for their depositions in the related civil inquiry headed by the state attorney general. A New York judge decided against the Trumps, ruling that the Attorney General was entitled to their testimony. In its account, the New York Times reported that the prosecutors submitted their resignations after the district attorney expressed doubts about moving forward with the Trump case. The district attorney's office has declined to elaborate on the departures. In addition to the investigations in New York, Trump also is the subject of a separate criminal investigation in Georgia, where Atlanta area District Attorney Fani Willis has been conducting a year-long inquiry into the former president's effort to overturn the 2020 state election won by President Joe Biden. Willis is expected to begin calling witnesses before a special state grand jury in May. In an interview with USA Today earlier this month, Willis said prosecutors have identified more than 100 potential witnesses in that inquiry.